Banana ball.
Wow! The rainbow portal is open! Come on, let's join the rhythm adventure!
Oh, the rhythm song, a happy sound. The best music that can be found. A different beat for our 2 feet. A happy rhythm, oh so sweet. The first rhythm is soft and slow. A gentle rocking to and fro. It rocks the boats out on the bay. And rocks the sleepy, tired day. It's a sleepy, dreamy, gentle sound. As the quiet world turns round and round.
The marching sound.
To stomp your feet upon the ground. It's strong and steady, brave and grand. The best beat in the whole land. It's a rhythm made for walking tall. So you will never ever fall. When comes a rhythm fast and light. A happy, bouncy, pure delight. It makes you want to hop and leap. And wake your body from its sleep. It's a silly, giggly, happy spree. A bouncy rhythm just for me. The last rhythm is from the sun. When all the busy day is done, it makes you want to sway and swoon beneath the silver sleepy moon. It's a rhythm just for you and me, right here beside the big blue sea.
Banana ball.
More adventures and songs on our channel.